Hey, well, it's still Wednesday, July 10th, 2019, and I've had a couple days of left-handed Stratocasters. Kind of remarkable that we see this many of them here. This is a Mexican-made Fender Strat. We just acquired this instrument and have founded a new home with a new left-handed guitar owner, and this thing is getting my my setup work done on it. Set up by Marshall, you know. But one thing that's wrong with this is the tone pod is busted off. Somebody probably tried to split that or make the knob fit better. And, you know, one cool thing is working here is that I keep all these little parts and pieces off of guitars that come in that I have to either get rid of or pull parts out of. We have parts guitars, just like car shops have parts cars. So I have a tone control that will match the ones that are on the guitar almost perfectly. So this thing's going to get a nice heavy-duty cleanup, makeover, so that when it goes home with the new owner won't really know that it's a used guitar. Going to polish it and clean it and do all the stuff that I normally do on all these things. Yippee, I get to solder. Oh boy, be careful. Be careful. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Peace.